How does the Red Tea Detox work? The program was created by Liz Swann Miller and is a new approach to detoxify your body, helping it to burn unneeded pounds by switching from carbohydrate fat burning to high-octane burning. It is based on over a decade of medical research revolving around the cleansing of toxins and the benefits of African red tea. The Red Tea Detox might seem like a tasty tea, but you'll quickly realize that it's so much more than that. In fact, this weight loss program is the most comprehensive system I've ever seen. It covers absolutely every element of your health, from your mental health to your emotional well-being, weight loss and fitness, diet and lifestyle, and so much more. And it's all put together in a fun, entertaining and easy-to-read system called, you guessed it, the Red Tea Detox. So, if you're ready to tackle your 2018 New Year's resolutions, I think you just found your cup of tea. Since the mind-blowing Red Tea Detox system covers absolutely every aspect of your life, the creator has broken it down into 3 major components to make it easy and fun to read. This also makes it easy to refer back to any information as needed. The components are diet, exercise, willpower, motivation, and mindset. To read the full blog post on how does the Red Tea Detox work, click the link in the description. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to our channel.